you have a property
Mhm.
and you want to gift it to your child,
Yeah.
I would rather not give them the property now. Do not give it to them now, because should you it's not always simple as just transferring a property to your child's name.
Mm.
You need to sell the property.
Mm.
So your child needs to buy the property. And if you are gifting it to them,
Mm.
you need to pay donations tax. There's always tax that you're gonna pay in a property sale or in a transaction where a property goes from one person to the next.
Mm.
So when you sell property, you trigger capital gains tax. So you're gonna pay capital gains tax. So what's in South Africa they charge about 18%. Yes, 18% of the capital gains.
Mm.
Yes, how much the property has um appreciated in value within that period. So your child now is subjected to that. Another thing that you're taking away from your child is the benefits of owning property for the first time. So we know when you buy property, okay, not most people know, when you buy property for the first time, in many states in South Africa as well, you have those benefits. Like in South Africa, you have a first home finance benefit where you are given